And so it came to pass that Jamaica College kicked out all Kingston College teeth, and with the famous purple blood dripping from every KC gum. We're not going to beat round the bush this evening. Miguel Coley outcoached and outsmarted Ludlow Bernard, and that is why JC are Walker Cup champions today, and KC are licking them wounds. The intangibles killed KC last night. The pressure of the occasion got not just to the players, but to Coach Bernard as well. Them freeze up under the pressure. One block, a purple ice. See them? The ball of them come out flat, and the coach come out even flatter. Listen to Coach Ludlow after the game. Listen.
A really disappointing first half from us. You know, I don't think we started the game with any amount of urgency, and because of that, Jamaica College was able to take advantage of the situation, and they scored early, something that we normally do. And then the second goal was really the killer. It was approaching the half-time break, and my defense just switched off, something which is quite unusual for them.
So the coach sees that the team come out flat, and what adjustments did he make to wake up the team? And when did he make those adjustments? After leaving the danger man and the creative fulcrum of the JC team, Tariq McGee, free to do all his damage. It's that time you make the adjustments, coach. Anyway, big up Miguel Coley and the Jamaica College machinery. They more than any other coach and any other school understand that first round and second round and quarterfinal and semi-final don't win titles. Those are mere phases of the season that will get them to the big title deciding championship games. And that is when you have to play your best and most efficient football. Not before and not after. To how it look right now, KC need a coach and a pastor.